So from that point, I'm going to go to all 3 points and just get a distance. Doesn't go all the way, but just a segment out that direction. Put the ruler on here to the second point, out to here, and do the same this way from the center line out to the third point. So you can kind of see the beginnings of a corner. All I'm going to do is then finish this off. I'm going to say, okay, this is about this distance here, and this point is going to go to the other vanishing points just to set it up. You have 3 total. Let's see if this makes sense to you. So now you can see a traditional front wall, and I'm going to end it so right about here and here. However, this one now has to go to the vanishing point at the base. So I put the ruler here, line it up with this point, and just finish off that direction. These are arbitrary type points. So here's the point. Let's see if I can get it on the camera here for you. Right about there. So here's the point. Here's the line up with the vanishing point and finishing off. So now I have 2 walls, but you can see that they're angled this time. And from these 2, it's almost like 2-point going to the left and the right. So just put the point here and line up this one to the right-hand side. And now you can kind of see it's almost like 2-point perspective, except it's no longer vertical at that piece. Now as you go through this again, once I have it, I can just give it a light outline here. It'll give me a section to illustrate. And just quickly give it a light outline here. And I end up with a little bit of 3-point perspective here. So now once I have that, there will be the other illustrations we'll put in there, but now I can go ahead and start to choose my light source. And again, trying to set the line up there first to get you started, and then lose that line in the shading. So see if you can't project that. So the third point now is in oblique. So the closest thing to the picture plane is this corner, and that's where the term oblique comes in. So it's just bringing that section. Again, trying to lose that line. Just blend it in. That edge. See where you're at there. Again, you can use a straight edge to help you line up your color and your value. So once you get the line, you're trying to lose it from the linear perspective. Now you're doing the aerial and the atmospheric perspective there. You're just running the ruler along the edge. Helps with the shading pretty easily. Again, you can use a scrap piece of paper to help you with the drawing too. And then when you look at the texture of this band, you're trying to get that shading in there to add that section so you can find the center of this point and put the pattern right on there. And you find it at the midpoint on this part, just connect it back to that section. And then it just makes it that much easier to do the shading.
Frozen screen.
Okay. It is cold out.